Understanding preventive control plans for the manufacturer under the Safe Food for Canadian regulations. Welcome to our video on food manufacturing with Safe Food for Canadian regulations. As a food manufacturer in Canada, it's important to understand the regulatory requirements for food safety and quality. In particular, having a preventive control plan is critical for ensuring that your products meet Canadian food safety standards. When do you need to have preventive control plan? You will need a PCP plan when working with high-risk food categories or when you distribute products in another province. This applies to most situations, although some exclusions may apply. A preventive control plan is a written document that outlines the specific measures you take to ensure food safety in your manufacturing process. This plan should include a hazard analysis, risk assessment, and critical control points that are identified in your food production process. The purpose of a preventive control plan is to identify potential hazards and implement controls to prevent them from occurring. This plan must be tailored to your specific food production process and should include procedures for monitoring, record keeping, and training. A preventive control plan should also include procedures for sanitation, cleaning, and maintenance of equipment to prevent cross-contamination and maintain the integrity of the product. Additionally, a preventive control plan should have procedures in place for corrective actions, such as product recalls. Record keeping is a crucial aspect of a preventive control plan. You must document all procedures, monitoring, and corrective actions taken during your food production process. Proper record keeping is essential for demonstrating compliance with regulatory requirements and for providing transparency in your food production process. Another critical aspect of a preventive control plan is training. Your employees must be properly trained on the procedures outlined in the plan, including sanitation, monitoring, and record keeping. It's important to note that the CFIA may conduct compliance monitoring activities to ensure that you are following your preventive control plan and complying with regulatory requirements. Failing to comply with these requirements could result in enforcement actions, including product recalls and fines. We have clients coming to us when their license is about to get suspended for failing to have PCP plan without realizing they need one. So, it is very important to know if you need one. At SFPM Consulting, we can help you build a robust preventive control plan that meets all regulatory requirements. Our team of experts has extensive experience in food manufacturing and can guide you through the process of building and implementing a customized preventive control plan for your business. One of the main components of the PCP is to identify potential hazards and establish control measures to prevent or mitigate them. The Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points (HAC) system is often used to conduct a hazard analysis and establish control measures. The HAC system is a science-based, systematic approach to identifying and controlling potential hazards. It is also important for the manufacturer to have effective record-keeping and documentation practices in place. This includes documenting the steps taken to implement and maintain the PCP, as well as any corrective actions taken if a hazard is identified. Traceability is another key component of the SFCR. Food manufacturers must have a traceability plan that allows them to trace the movement of their products one step forward and one step back in the supply chain. This means that the manufacturer must be able to identify the immediate supplier and the immediate customer of their products. The traceability plan must also include procedures for conducting a recall if necessary. Customer protection is also an important aspect of the SFCR. Manufacturers must ensure that their products are properly labeled, and that any claims made on the label are accurate and can be substantiated. The manufacturer must also ensure that the product identity is maintained throughout the supply chain and that the product is not subject to substitution or adulteration. At SFPM Consulting, we understand the challenges that you, as a food manufacturer, face in complying with the SFCR. Our team of experts can help you develop and implement a comprehensive PCP, traceability plan, and customer protection plan that meets the SFCR requirements. We can also assist you with record keeping and documentation practices to ensure that you comply with the regulations. In addition to our consulting services, we offer training programs for food manufacturers and their employees on the SFCR requirements and best practices for compliance. Our goal is to help you navigate the complex regulations and protect your business while ensuring the safety of your products. In conclusion, compliance with the Safe Food for Canadians regulations is essential for food manufacturers operating in Canada. Manufacturers must have a valid SFC license and implement a PCP, traceability plan, and customer protection plan. SFPM Consulting can assist you with developing and implementing these plans and ensuring that you are in compliance with the regulations. Contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can help you ensure the safety and quality of your products.